In this tutorial, you will learn how to create high quality normal map out of any diffuse map you get from Google image search or you have on your hard drive. So let's dive in. Hello everyone, I'm Said Mondegar. Welcome back to another tutorial. For those who are new in here, I'm so excited to have you, and for those who are along with me through the year, I'm glad to talk to you again. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make normal maps in Photoshop. So from now on, you can make normal maps out of any diffuse map. It's so simple and efficient. First, load the diffuse map in Photoshop. Next, I need to have all the pixels as black and white to help the application defines better for generating the normal map. I'm trying to make contrast to let it knows where to make bumps and scratches. I suggest you to choose a high quality map to use the benefits of details on normal map. You can download the map I'm using in this video via the link I put in the description. Level adjustment controls the overall contrast. I'm using it to speed up the process. Now, by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E, I duplicate the pixels of my map, so from now on all the adjustments will be applied on this layer. Convert this layer to a smart filter cause it lets you to edit the applied adjustments whenever we want. You will see the benefit of this action later on this video. Go to the filter menu, 3D, and choose generate normal map. It takes a few seconds to be loaded and it highly depends on your hardware. Now you see it's generating a 3D model, presenting the final result of using this feature. Let me change the preview mode. Now I can see how it looks on a surface. Here, you can change the parameters based on your personal interests. If you uncheck the invert height, the final version of your map will be inversed, so you have to inverse it again while using in your 3D software. Here the application divides the pixels based on their color range to give you more options to bump up or down the details. Now, as you see, here I have the final result, a high quality generated normal map out of a diffuse map. But this is not the end. Imagine you have many different maps and you need to make normal maps for all of them. Should you do the same process for all of them? The answer is no. Here I have a very nice trick for you so you can use it for any process that is repetitive. First, go to the Action tab and press New Action. Type a name and press Record. From now on, all the process and step you're taking is going to be recorded so you can apply it on every image you need to have the same result. As before, I'm gonna apply a black and white adjustment on it and then make some contrast. Now I duplicate it and convert it to a smart filter. So simple, right? Well, now I think I increased the details more than what it should be, so here I will use the benefit of converting to a smart filter as I've said earlier. Let's reduce the amount, and now press OK. Now it's time to stop recording and close the process. By the way, if you couldn't find action on your interface, you can bring it on by going to the window menu and click on action, or simply press Alt F9. Here you see all the steps I took to make this normal map, and all of that is recorded and it's ready to be applied on the next image. Let me show you how to do that. Go to the other tab. Press play to start applying all those steps on this map. Some of the steps I took need to be confirmed, so you have the opportunity to make a slight difference if you think this new map needs. Then press OK to let it continue. Well, as you see, here I have another normal map made in the same way I did for the previous one. Lastly, right-click on the final result and select Quick Export as PNG. Always try to use PNG format because it stores all the data generated on the map. Select the map and simply change the diffuse part of its name to normal map to appear right beside the related map, and press save. Here you see some more maps I upload for you to practice and use. Also, I uploaded the action file so you can use it by one click and enjoy. You can find the download link in the description. Follow the download path and support me on Patreon if you like this video. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more. See you soon. Have fun.